Hey guys, quick video today unboxing the new Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, Magic Mouse, and Magic Trackpad, made to match the new Mac Studio. What's special about this is now you can buy these separately. Before you would have to get the Mac Pro to get these. What's new about this is the keyboard, which has the Touch ID, and I see some new packaging here. It's funny because it says 2021 in the back here on all the packaging, which means it's been sitting on a shelf for a while. Apple probably wanted to release this last year. Give this video a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Start with the keyboard, full tab on this side. That's how it looks. Wow. You get a black braided cable. I love this black cable because it's hard to find a black lightning cable. And this is USB-C to lightning now. Back then you would have to get the space gray keyboard that came with the iMac Pro to get the black lightning cable.
Then the keyboard with a cable eventually sold separately.
Now, just get this keyboard. This is the new Pro keyboard. So this is aesthetically designed to match your Mac Studio. I know we're trying to get away from plastic, but I did miss the sound of unboxing the plastic. Still a lightning port here, looking good. There we have the new Touch ID and this symbol here. Now it's a button to bring up your emoticons. Let's see close up. It's redesigned so the edges are more rounded. We got updated keys here. Like, this is no longer the eject button that doesn't work. It is the Touch ID button. The functions key so you can access your emoticons and such. Notice here it's updated as well with a Siri key and do not disturb.
They discontinued Space Gray, and now you have the Siri symbol here for F5. The new icon for search, do not disturb, Touch ID, new functions icon, took away the delete word.
You have the on-off switch here, off, lightning. Check out the back, it's a nice matte. Already a fingerprint here, but I love this Apple logo like that, and this has a little bit of grip, which is great.
And it's all to be congruent with their new line of keyboards, including their MacBook keyboards. You guys, I think I like the less rounded corners compared to the new rounded corners because it's more proportionate to the square keys overall. But I mean, it's still beautiful, the new design. It's just, I think this is my current preference right now, just seeing the difference.
All right, next is the Magic Trackpad.
$149 or $129 for white.
Right away, you can notice the pull tab is different from the packaging before. It says 2021. It's not wrapped in plastic. Apple's trying to use as little plastic as possible. Oh, cool. Looks like the same design. That familiar trackpad that we know and love. The trackpad actually also came with a black braided cable. I love these because my desk is black, so it just blends in. This is actually my first time using a trackpad this big. I'm used to a MacBook's trackpad, which is a little smaller. So this will be interesting. I'm going to be using both. Let's see the back here. So right now I can already tell this will be a fingerprint magnet because it's right here if you could see that, but it's all right, I'm gonna keep it clean. So here's the Magic Trackpad, very matte, and you got the on and off switch here just like before, lightning cable, Bluetooth, and that Apple logo once more. I do wish it had a space gray version to match my space gray MacBook Pro 14-inch. So next is the Magic Mouse. This one doesn't have a pull tab, so it's funny to have a pull tab for everything, but not for this. Yeah. All right, and then just like the iPhone box, there it is. Unlike the trackpad, this is actually a glossier finish. You got the silver sides. Also a braided black cable, USB-C to lightning. So yeah, I know not everyone's a fan of the Magic Mouse, but I sure am. I think it's really nice. I love the design of it, but I would think they would change it by now, but I guess not. Great, I love all of these. Having all these braided cables, I'm in heaven. That's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I also opened up some new watch bands and iPhone cases, so check out those videos. Give this a like if it helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.